Chapter 17. Building Materials and Bridges. Get set. Choose the right word and name these people. 1. I plan and design the house, architect actor. 2. I construct the house along with other laborers, chemist mason. 3. I make the wooden doors, windows and cupboards, painter carpenter. 4. I do the fitting of water pipes, cobbler plumber. 5. I paint the house, barber painter. 6. I fix the electric fittings, electrician farmer. Building materials. Different materials are used to build houses. Earlier the houses were made of mud, thatch, dry leaves, bamboo, straw and wood. They were called kacha houses. They were not strong and needed to be repaired often. Nowadays houses are built of bricks, cement, concrete and iron. They are pakka houses which are strong and durable. Bricks are the most important materials for constructing a building. The steps involved in making bricks are given below. Step 1. A smooth mixture is formed by mixing clay with water. Step 2. Mixture is put in molders to obtain wet bricks. Step 3. These bricks are dried in sunlight. Step 4. The sun-dried bricks are burnt in kiln at somewhere between 1000 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius. Slow heating in the kiln provides strength to the bricks and prevents the cracks to be developed on them. Step 5. The bricks become hard and strong after being cooled. Cement is made by heating limestone with small quantities of other materials such as clay to 1450 degrees Celsius in a kiln. The resulting hard substance is called clinker. It is then ground with a small amount of gypsum into a powder to make ordinary Portland cement, which is the most commonly used type of cement. Concrete. Concrete is a construction material composed of cement as well as other materials such as fly ash, sand, water, and chemical mixtures. Concrete solidifies and hardens after mixing with water and gives strength to the building. Wood and glass. Wood is used to build the doors and windows of the house. The wooden shuttering is used to construct the roof and columns. Other materials. During and after the construction of a house, various other materials like tiles and marbles for flooring, granite slabs for kitchen, bathroom fittings, plastic pipes, switches and cables for electric fittings, paint, brush, etc. for painting are used. Construction. In construction of a house, we need the following things: raw materials, cement, bricks, concrete, wood, iron rods and plastic are the raw materials. Tools and machines, big and small, are used in construction work. Power, to run some machines, electricity or power is needed. Manpower, skilled workers are used to work with the tools and manage the machines. People and tools involved in construction. Architect, an architect makes the plan of a building on paper. This plan is called blueprint. He decides whether the design is perfect or not. He uses a drawing board, pencil, compass and scale to make a plan. Engineer, an engineer who is involved in construction of dams, roads, buildings etc. is a civil engineer. His work is to instruct a team of laborers. Mason builds walls and does everything to be required on flooring. He uses tools like plumb bob, trowel, hammer, spirit level and mallet. Painter, a painter paints the walls and wooden stuffs. He works with brushes, paints, spray guns and rollers. Welder, a welder's work is to join iron and steel parts together. He uses welding machine and goggles. Carpenter, a carpenter makes doors, windows and cupboards. He uses tools like chisel, tri-square, saw and gimlet. Electrician. As the building is about to complete, the electrician does the electric fittings of the building. He uses tools like screwdriver, pliers, soldering iron, and insulation tape. Plumber. A plumber fixes the taps, water system, and drainage system. He uses tools like pliers, pincers, spanner, and hammer, etc. Bridges to cross. In olden times, people used to lead a nomadic life, moving from one place to another. To pass from one side to the other, they used to place fallen trees across streams and rivers. These fallen trees were the first bridges. Gradually, new materials and techniques came to be used to make longer and stronger bridges. Nowadays, bridges can be built over a river, road, or a railway line. In big cities, bridges are constructed to solve the problem of traffic jam. Such bridges are called flyovers. To enable the pedestrians to reach the opposite side of a busy road, bridges are built over. These are called overbridges. Types of bridges. Bridges are of different types. Some of these are described below. Beam bridge. This is the simplest kind of bridge. It is made of horizontal beams of wood or steel supported by pillars. The best example of the beam bridge is a tree fallen across a river. The Gerber beam bridge in Japan is an example of this type of bridge. Pontoon bridge. A pontoon bridge or floating bridge is a type of bridge that floats on water. This bridge is made of boat-like pontoons which support the bridge deck and its dynamic loads. These bridges are mostly temporary structures. The pontoon bridge on Martwa Wisla, Dead Vistula, in Poland and East Bank Esplanade floating bridge in Portland, Oregon, USA, are two well-known examples of these bridges. Truss bridge. This type of bridge is composed of truss, a triangular structure comprising materials that are used to construct it. Truss bridges are among the oldest types of modern bridges. These are economical to construct. The Qiantang River Bridge or Qiantang River Bridge in China is an example of this type of bridge. Girder bridge. This type of bridge rests on pillars called piers at the two ends of the bridge. This is perhaps the most commonly used type of bridge in the world. The Dunn Memorial Bridge, which was built in 1967 across the Hudson River in New York, is one of best-known examples of this bridge. Suspension bridge. These are the longest bridges of the world. Huge towers of steel and concrete are set into the foundation, and steel cables hang between towers to hold up the road. The Clifton Suspension Bridge across the River Avon in England is an example of this type of bridge. Arch bridge. This is one of the oldest types of bridges. The arch bridges were earlier built of stone and bricks. Now, they are made of concrete or steel. These bridges are very strong and can be as long as 800 feet. The Devil's Bridge in France and the Ponte Vecchio in Italy are two famous examples. Arch bridge. Richmond Bridge in Australia is probably the oldest bridge of this type which is still in operation. Movable bridge. This type of bridge has some movable space to allow the passage of road traffic along with water traffic. There are moving barriers for the road traffic which operate when there is no water traffic. However, when there is water traffic, the bridge is closed for the road traffic. These are usually found on busy waterways. Bascule and drawbridge are two important variations of these bridges. Madison Street Bridge in Chicago, USA, is an example of a movable bridge. Cantilever bridge. This type of bridge is made in such a way that each half of the bridge is balanced on a support which is placed in the middle. For example, Hawja Bridge in Kolkata, India, Forth Bridge in Scotland, San Francisco Oakland Bridge in California, USA, and Quebec Bridge in Canada. Summary. Different types of materials are used for construction. Different workers use different tools depending upon their kind of work. Bridges are built over river, canal, road and railway lines. beam bridges, pontoon bridges, truss bridges, girder bridges, suspension bridges, arch bridges, movable bridges and cantilever bridges are the different types of bridges. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Which is permanent bridge? A. Pontoon bridge. B. Drawbridge. C. None of these. 2. The horizontal beam of beam bridge rests on A. Piers. B. Arc. C. Both of these. 3. My work is to join iron and steel. Who am I? A. Mason. B. Welder. C. Engineer. 4. Which materials are required to construct a building? A. Cement. B. Brick. C. Both of these. 5. Cement, sand, water and crushed stone are mixed to form A. Concrete. B. Brick. C. Steel. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Different materials are used to build. 2. Is used to build the doors and windows of the house. 3. Skilled workers are used to work with the and manage the. 4. A work is to join iron and steel parts together. 5. Suspension bridges hang from steel cables that are supported by two high. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. Bricks are the most important materials for constructing a building. 2. Cement, bricks, concrete, wood, iron rods and plastic are the raw materials. 3. An engineer makes the plan of a building on paper. This is called blueprint. 4. A bridge is a large structure used by people or vehicles to cross over areas that are difficult to travel. 5. The bricks become hard and strong after being cooled. D. Match the following. 1. Mallet. 2. Scale. 3. Spanner. 4. Insulation tape. 5. Chisel. E. Answer the following questions. 1. How is a building built? 2. Name the people involved in the construction of a building. 3. Differentiate between cement and concrete. 4. Describe the process of manufacturing of bricks in brief. 5. Who plans a house and prepares its blueprint? Activity 1. Solve the quiz given below. Across 1. I paint the house. 4. I fit electrical appliances. Down 2. I do the bathroom fittings. 3. I instruct the team of laborers. 5. I design the plan for a building. 2. Make the model of a bridge with matchsticks. Take some matchsticks of same size. Construct 2 pyramids with 6 matchsticks each. You may use some clay or kneaded dough to join their corners. Connect them to each other with a scale. Place some toys on that bridge and check its stability. 3. Find out the largest bridge in India and the largest bridge in world. Collect their pictures and paste them in your scrapbook. 4. Make a bridge with the help of your friends. Use sand, sticks, stones and cardboard to make a bridge and show it your teacher. Life skill. To build anything, whether it is a building or a bridge, teamwork is required. We should learn to work in a team to get the best results.